It could be in the voters' hands to approve a $315 million referendum for Indianapolis public schools on their November ballot. The Indianapolis Public Schools Board of Commissioners voted tonight in favor of this referendum. The newest proposal will raise $315 million over the next 8 years. The board had previously approved a $52 million for a capital request that will also be on the November ballot. The latest proposal is still a drastic drop from IPS's initial $1 billion proposal last year, but is almost 3 times more than the Indy Chamber of Commerce's $100 million proposal that was approved last week.
Still time for us to reach some common ground with the Indianapolis Chamber of Commerce. If we don't, then our number will remain at $315 million.
We have to strike the right balance between what taxpayers are paying, maintaining a competitive tax environment in this community, and also educating our students. And finding that line, I think Dr. Farabee called it walking a tightrope. That is, in fact, a tightrope. And so we feel it's, I think, advisable to keep talking until we just can't talk anymore, and then make the decision, I think, on what is the basis of the experts' best guess of what we can live with.
Last week's Indy Chamber proposal would have come with drastic cuts. Those cuts included cutting half of IPS's central office staff, reducing the teacher workforce by 12%, and getting rid of more school buildings. Tonight's new proposal from IPS allows some of the updates without the drastic cuts across the board. There will be opportunities to amend this referendum before the board meets again next week.